What little I did hear from the group of officers that I saw was that they were looking for someone with a gun. I didn't hear anything else because I was also worried to get out and I would call anyone I knew that wake up to the reality. They are the shooters. Yes, people, wake up. Don't be afraid and stand up. We have the right to protest what we believe that is not right. So wake up to the truth, people. This is what they do. Yes. Do not be afraid. They are the shooters. They are the shooters. They take people's lives. Wake up to the truth, people. Wake up. It's time to wake up to reality.
No more loss of life, Tustin.
Yes. That's why we're here.
What did they
They take lives away.
Well, what did
They
they
get
say?
paid
I
vacation.
didn't like that's what I meant.
And we, the community, pay for that.
He was like eating stuff, so he's like tripping out. He was just screaming, so we had to call cops and others to like arrest or whatever.
They bring this out,
and they come, and like within like, no, like, all I know is they heard the cops and left. I was walking around the corner and then I heard 4 gunshots and then we came back. My brother was there.
Are you there?
They will make up stories. We don't even know. We don't even know the truth, what's going on out there. They make up stories. You think that that person deserves to die.
That was the last picture. That was like a
They
couple
kill
days
him
before.
once, and then they kill him twice.
Was he like, he was just screaming, you said?
Yeah, he was like screaming, but he wasn't like doing anything, you know what I mean?
Yeah, just like
Yeah,
normal.
there's no tasers, no nothing, they just shot him 4 times like that.
Este sábado todos están invitados.
They handcuffed him after
Vamos
they
a
killed
tener
him.
una marcha.
And like
este
at my house, like on apartments, there was blood on the wall, there was like,
contra
there's
la
holes in the wall and stuff.
que haya
I
justicia.
have to live there, you know?
Were you the one that was the better?
The more people, the better, especially the youth, because we're trying to get you guys, because we know you guys get stopped all the time. So we have flyers, we have writing cards, things that are going to show you what you guys. Yeah, but they used to be peace officers. Now they're executing officers. So we're trying to help you guys. We're not here to do nothing for ourselves. We're trying to let the community know that it's happening. My son was killed on that freeway right over there.
Really?
Paul.
Yeah, I went to school.
Yeah.
Remember me? I used to have long hair.
Yeah, and fine. And Paul didn't do anything. I mean, I got everything covered and on Paul, and he didn't do anything, and he didn't even have a record. Huh?
That's how I remember.
Yeah.
The meaning and the hair.
Yeah. You know, he didn't. The only thing he had on his background was a jaywalker.
He was like all of us.
They didn't do anything.
They didn't do anything like big and illegal. They're just so bored they have to pull us over every day.
Yeah, and that's why we're the mothers of Tustin fighting against police brutality, because who's gonna fight for you guys?
Exactly.
Right? Nobody's gonna fight for you. I'm here. Lucky's here. We got the American movement. We're here to fight for you guys. You know, that's what my goal is now. There's not much I can do for Paul. I'm fighting for it, but I'm fighting for everybody now. So, you guys, anybody who knows Paul, all your friends, tell them come down.
Justice for Paul! Justice for Robert! Justice